Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm planning to install this roof spoiler from Maxton design on my Cupra Formentor. That's how it looks. There's double-sided tape. It looks pretty good. I mean, the design is beautiful. I'm gonna see how this is going to look once I'm gonna have it installed. The package includes instructions. You follow these instructions for the installation. I'm gonna do it my way, and also there's some cleaner from 3M and a Maxton design sticker if you want to use it. It also has a Maxton design logo here on it. Actually, there are two, one at the back and one at the front. It has been handcrafted here. It's glossy, black gloss. Once you're going to remove this protective film, you're going to see the color. So this is getting installed right here. Looks really good. I cleaned the car a little bit. I'm also going to use that 3M cleaner. I don't like to use 3M promoter because if you're going to use that first, and if you ever have to remove that spoiler or whatever you're installing, then that's going to stain your paint. This is not going to stain your paint. You can remove it at any time. I thought that this is going to be right at the edge, but it's not. So if you want to come out too much, you are going to see the adhesive. So you gotta push it a bit back like this, kind of to have this shape taking over that shape. So at the edges is going to be a gap. All around is going to be a gap. This is the way that I see it. Because if you don't place it right, you're going to have a gap in this corner here. So when you glue it, you have to make sure that this takes the perfect shape of the car spoiler. If I come out more, it doesn't look good. So there has to be here somewhere. That means it's also going to be a gap here too. So it's not going to be like this, for example. This is how I'm going to do mine. I want this round lip of the car spoiler to continue with this perfectly round lip of the Maxton spoiler. So that way I have two round edges. I use painter's tape. I glue it to the Maxton spoiler and the car spoiler. I cut it. I don't have a pen or a pencil, but I used to use a mark, like an arrow. So when I'm going to line it up, I'm going to line it up arrow with arrow. But because it's easy, I can do it with the tape, edges of the tape. Both of them I'm going to start from the middle, and then I'm going to work my way out. And the spoiler is going to take the shape and it's going to end up here where it should. I'm not going to force it, I'm not going to pull it because it has the shape of the car. So it looks like this is the perfect spot to have it glued continuously to the edge. Also going to cut the 3M tape in the middle so I can have multiple starts, one here, one there, and one there. Cut this. Now I have multiple hands in case this breaks. I can always start from the other side. So I'm going to line up the tape. Double check everything. I'm going to start slowly towards this end. I'm not going to press it all the way in now. I'm going to leave that for now. I'm going to continue on the other side. So far so good. Just want to make sure that these ends are going to be the same on both sides. This is critical here. I want to make sure that this is going to glue right here all around. And up here. really good. I wanted to have this. Just like that. Apply some pressure. No gaps, nothing. It's really good. All done with the heat gun. Move all the stickers. Oh no. Shoot. Yeah, I'm really pleased with the product. Absolutely beautiful.